David, why are we raising money today?
For food banks across Ohio.
That's right.
The goal today, obviously, is to get as much money as we can get for the food banks here in the state of Ohio. $1 can feed 4 people. Guys, we are
40% of the
over
way here.
$1,000. We are almost halfway home. Keep them coming, guys.
5,000 may be way too low.
Right.
I think
Let's
so,
do
too.
10,000.
Yeah, why not?
Let's do 10,000.
Hello, I'm Ohio Governor Mike DeWine, asking for your help this holiday season. Food shortages are real for many Ohio families, and I hope that you will join me and Cash Explosion's Facing Hunger campaign to help fill the shelves of Ohio's food pantries. A small donation goes a very long way. Here's how you can help.
We are so grateful for your generosity and support. You can make a donation as part of the Ohio Lottery Cash Explosion Facing Hunger campaign today at ohiofoodbanks.org/Ohio Lottery.